Hi everybody, my name is Saahithi and I'm from the Busy Bots, and today I was very busy building an RPG, or a role-playing game. Let's take a look at what this is like. RPG. There are monsters attacking your house. You must escape by going to the driveway, but not without a key and a wand. But watch out, there are some monsters in some rooms. If they find you, you lose. Good luck. Commands. Go north, south, east, or west. Get whatever the item is. So I'm in the living room and my inventory is empty. So let's try using the go command. So let's go south. I'm in the bedroom and there's a wand. So let's try get wand. Got wand. So now you can see that my inventory has the wand in it. Let's try going east. I've run into a monster. Game over. Okay, now let's take a look at the code. So first I have this instructions function. Over here I'm just giving the basic instructions and these commands. Then you can see that I have this function status. So over here I'm printing the current room that I'm in, what's in my inventory, and I'm saying that if there's an item in the room that I'm in, then I will mention that one too. Now let's take a look at this huge code. This is almost like a dictionary. So I'm saying, for example, in the living room, north is to playroom, which means north of the living room is the playroom. South is to bedroom, which means south of the living room is the bedroom. If we take a look at the playroom, we can see south is to living room, which means south of the playroom is the living room. Well, that makes sense because north of the living room is the playroom. You can also see that there's an item, the monster, which means there's a monster in the playroom. If you take a look down here to the dining room, you can see that there's an item which is the key. So this is how I'm talking about what's in these specific rooms and what is north, south, east, or west of them. Then if you look down here, you can see that the current room is the living room, which means when I start out, I'm in the living room. And I'm running the function instructions. And over here, this is a big part in the code. So first of all, over here, I'm saying that if there's an item in the current room as monster, that means I've run into a monster and it's game over. Over here, I'm saying that if the user types go somewhere, that means that I have to look. So for example, if the user types in go south and they're in the room, like if they're in the living room, that means south of the living room is the bedroom, right? So it would change the current room to the bedroom. And if they type a command that doesn't exist, then it'll just print you can't go that way. In the same way, I'm saying that if the user types get something, for example, get key, then I'm checking if this item is actually in the room. And if it is, then I'm saying I got whatever the item is, right? Down here, I'm saying once more that if the item is monster, then game over. And this is the big part. I'm saying that if the current room that I'm in is the driveway, and I have a key in the inventory and a wand in the inventory, then that means I win. So let's take a look at this one more time. So we know the instructions here, so let's try going south. There's a wand, so let's get wand. Let's try going north again this time. Go north, I'm in the living room. Let's try go east. I still have the wand in my inventory. Let's try go north. Hey, there's a key, and I'm in the dining room. Okay, so let's get the key. What should I do now? Let's try go east. I can't go that way. Okay, so let's try go south. I'm in the hall again. Why don't we try go east? I escaped the house. I win! Yay! Thank you for looking through this, and I hope you have a great time building your own RPG. Thank you and bye!